Burco is the aftermarket leader in providing quality products and solutions for broken side view mirrors. The following video equips you with easy-to-use instructions for installing your Burco replacement mirror. Reference the install code on your Burco mirror glass replacement box. Replacing a damaged side view mirror can be performed in 5 easy steps using Burco mirror glass replacement. You will need these tools to install your Burco mirror replacement. Please follow industry-accepted recommendations for personal safety. Install in a warm, dry environment. Remove all existing broken glass and adhesive from the mirror's plastic frame and backing plate using the flathead screwdriver or putty knife. Thoroughly clean the backing plate with rubbing alcohol. Clean the mirror with glass cleaner. Test fit the Burco mirror glass replacement before proceeding to the next step. Apply Burco Redi Stick adhesive patches to the backing plate or mirror replacement. Paper backing must be removed to expose the adhesive. Align and press the mirror glass replacement directly to the backing plate with firm yet gentle pressure. Clean the installed Burco mirror glass replacement with glass cleaner. For additional information, visit burcoinc.com.